Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I will show you how to delete old WhatsApp messages for everyone, even after the standard time limit has passed. Normally, when you try to delete an old message, WhatsApp only gives you the option to delete it for yourself. To bypass this, we need to temporarily pause the app's connection to the server. Start by noting the exact date and time the message was originally sent. Then turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data, or simply enable airplane mode. This is crucial because it prevents WhatsApp from syncing. Next, open your phone settings. Navigate to your apps list, find WhatsApp, and select Force Stop. Now head over to your date and time settings. Disable the automatic network time, and manually change your phone's date to the day the message was sent. Set the time to exactly 5 minutes after the original send time. Return to WhatsApp and open the chat. Tap and hold the old message. You will now see the option to delete for everyone. Select it and the message will be successfully removed. Finally, turn your internet connection back on and set your clock back to automatic. Once WhatsApp reconnects, the message will be permanently deleted from the other person's phone as well. If this guide helped you, please subscribe for more practical tips at ClearTask. Thank you for watching.